Right, hey guys, we're going to talk about how we can create systems of equations to represent real situations. This happens in life and it kind of helps you to figure some things out. So here we go. Samantha and Karen are going shopping for mix and match swimsuits, tops and bottoms. Samantha's more conservative and buys 3 tops and 2 bottoms and spends $150. Karen has money to burn and buys 4 tops and 5 bottoms for a total of $263. How much does a top X cost? How much does a bottom Y cost? All right, so first I want to get my brain thinking about this the right way. And so I want to know that what my X and my Y's are. So X is the cost of a top. And usually you can find what your X and Y are in our question, okay? Y is the cost of the bottom. Okay, so I have my variables so I can start organizing things up here. I know that I have tops, bottoms, and I'm going to have total amounts, right? I know that my story talked about Samantha and it talked about Karen. So now I have to go and fill in these blanks. Okay, let's start with Samantha. Samantha spends $150, so there's her total. And let's look at how did she spend that? Well, she bought 3 tops and each top is X dollars. And she bought 2 bottoms. Each bottom is Y dollars. Okay? Then we're going to look at what did Karen do? Well, Karen spent $263. And what did she spend it on? She spent it on 4 tops, so 4 times the cost of a top, and then 5 bottoms, 5 times the cost of each bottom. Once I've organized it, my equations are right there in front of me. So it's going to be this row. So I'm going to have 3x plus 2y equals 150. And I'm going to have that bottom row, 4x plus 5y equals 263. Okay. The last thing I want to do is actually go back and look at those equations with context for my problem. So you can see at the bottom, I kind of wrote what this would look like, what it would mean. If I look at Karen's equations with the 263, it means Karen spent $263 on 4 tops and X's tops and 5 bottoms. Y is the cost of the bottoms. Hey, that matches the story. Okay. Samantha spent $150 altogether on 3 tops, X, 3 tops there, cool, okay, and 2 bottoms, which it says in our story. Those seem to match, so I'm feeling pretty confident that's my system of equations. All right, let's do it again. A group of 14 friends goes to dinner at a nice restaurant. The pasta dish is $17.99 and the chicken dish is $21.49. The total bill before tax and tip for the group is $279.86. How many friends ordered the chicken dish X and how many ordered pasta Y? All right, so we want to make sure we have done this. So X is the number who ordered chicken, right? And Y is the number of friends who ordered pasta. And again, remember, you can find that usually in the question that's asked, okay? All right, so then we want to organize our information. So we're going to have chicken, number of chickens, number of pasta, and our totals. All right, so this time there are a couple different things. Let's look for totals first, right? So I have this total that the group spent. $279.86. That's what they spent altogether. So I'm looking, okay, well, this is going to be cost, which means I'm going to have to include the cost of each dish. So my chicken is $21.49 times however many people X bought it. And then the pasta is $17.99 times Y, which is the number of people who bought pasta. Cool. Okay, so then I'm looking at my story. I need another total. And we're looking, this time there's not another cost total, but there is a number of friends total. So I have 14 people. So this row is talking about people. Okay, well, how do I know what gave me the 14? What did I put together to get that? Well, it's just how many people bought pasta and how many bought chicken, right? So we have X and Y. When I put that together, that would tell me how many people showed up, right? If I know how many bought chicken, how many bought pasta, add it together, there's my total of people. All right, so once we're here, this gives us our equations. Okay, so I should have 2149 x plus 1799 y equals $279.86. There's my first one. And then my second one is that bottom row. X plus y equals 14. Okay, read it and see if it matches our storyline. Okay, so I have in my equation right here the number of people who ordered chicken and the number who ordered pasta is 14. I need to fix that down there because I think I have my variables backwards. All right, and then here I have the cost of the number of chicken dishes plus the cost of the pasta dishes came to a total of $279.86. Okay, so I think I'm pretty good to go with that. It seems like it matches all the story information up at the top, and that is how you create systems of equations to match stories. And like, just so that I don't drive myself crazy, that should be X and Y right there. Okay, so you're going to try this out. Let's see what you can do and go.